10 Best ChatGPT Prompts for WordPress Website Image Optimization. Image optimization is essential for both the loading speed and SEO of a WordPress website. Picture this. You've built a stunning WordPress website, but it's weighed down by heavy images. The result? Frustrated visitors, plummeting SEO rankings, and missed opportunities. Don't despair. We've got the ultimate solution. 10 Best ChatGPT Prompts for WordPress Website Image Optimization. This isn't just another guide, it's your roadmap to success. We'll unravel the complexities of image formats, introduce you to game-changing compression tools, and reveal the secrets of lazy loading. Whether you're a novice or a pro, this guide is designed to give you actionable insights for a faster, more efficient website. So, are you ready to elevate your site from sluggish to speedy? Let's dive in. Here are 10 ChatGPT prompts tailored to guide users on image optimization for WordPress. 1. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website. Importance of image optimization. Why is image optimization crucial for WordPress websites? 2. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website image formats. What are the differences between image formats like JPEG, PNG, and WebP? And which should I use for my WordPress site? 3. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website image compression tools. Can you recommend the best tools or plugins to compress images without losing quality? 4. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website resizing images. How can I resize images for optimal display on my website without compromising speed? 5. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website responsive images. What are responsive images, and how can I implement them in WordPress? 6. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website lazy loading. How does lazy loading work, and how can I integrate it into my WordPress site to improve load times? 7. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website image alt text. Why is adding alt text to images important for SEO and accessibility, and how can I effectively write them? 8. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website CDNs and image hosting. How can content delivery networks, CDNs, assist in image optimization for my WordPress site? 9. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website sprite sheets for icons. What are sprite sheets, and how can they optimize the loading of multiple icons or small images on my site? 10. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress website evaluating image performance. Which tools can help me analyze the load time of my images and their impact on my website's performance? Using these ChatGPT prompts with ChatGPT, users can acquire actionable insights and techniques for optimizing images, enhancing website speed, user experience, and SEO rankings. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description below to download 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts and experience the power of ChatGPT prompts for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.